Okay, this app is called Zoo Train, and if I didn't do a review of this app, my kids would never forgive me, so I have to do this, but it is a lot of fun to play. We have 5 options, and we'll go through each one of these, so why don't we have a look at who this is by. Busy Bee Preschool, busybeestudios.com games. Go back out and let's start at the beginning and see what we get. So this is a puzzle making game. Watch the train down the bottom as we go through this. You drag the pieces into place.
Bird.
And the train moves along to the destination. Again, a little bit forgiving. If you notice, you don't have to get it 100% in the square.
Train.
Get it very close and it'll pop in for you, but you do have to let go of it. It doesn't just take it from you. So you do have to do that.
Fish.
And we made it to the station.
Stupendous.
So that gives you the idea. You get to choose a sticker. I actually like Mr. Monkey Man, so I'm going to add him to my traveling case, and we go on through that. Plenty of puzzles. Nicely done. Very nice colors. Very easy to do. Nice sounds. Let's go and have a look at what this is. This is a musical game. Okay, so you get the idea there. You have the 4 songs down here, obviously Baba, Black Sheep, Row, Row, Row Your Boat, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and 3 Blind Mice. And you can either play those songs and learn how to play them by watching, or you can just jump in and learn how to play the song yourself just from watching the animations. So that's what that part is about. Okay, so you get the idea there. Let's go ahead and look at this one. This is where we get to build a train. Anything we like, which is very nice. I like the giraffes. I like Mr. Rhino. Penguins, and we'll follow up with some octopus at the end. And then we get to pick the scene. We'll have them going by the river. And you get the idea there. I'll let you explore that one. We'll go on to the ABCs. And what you have to do here is you have to drag the letters into the correct squares at the bottom. So
W. H. A.
if you get it wrong,
L. E. W. H. A. L. E. Whale.
and the train moves along and the next word comes around. I think you get the idea.
S. H.
We'll do it in the correct order,
E.
as we should.
P. S. H. E. E. Sheep. Sheep.
Okay, so that's a lot of fun. Very nicely done. I like the way the trains come along with different animals in every time. Now let's go to the track, which is my children's favorite part, and this is where you get to build a track by dragging the pieces to the place where they should be. And this can be quite tricky for them to get. They have to learn about the connections in the picture and where the pieces would go that aren't just like this, for example. Although it fits there, it doesn't go there because it's not the connection. So they have to get that right.
Good job.
And every time you complete one, the puzzle will change once it goes around. And there you go, and you continue going through these puzzles as they go, lots of variations, but a lot of fun. My kids absolutely love this part, and you'd think they'd be able to build their Thomas tracks after this, but no such luck. I'm still doing that for them, but it is great.
Super cool.
And that's it. You get the idea. We'll head back out, back to the main program. So 5 great things to do. Keep your kids occupied for a long time. And it's a really nicely put together app for the kids, and it's called Zoo Train.